So I want to express Happy New Year. So I believe you people, no matter what sort of physical condition, but mentally, now today, New Year with greeting from Dalai Lama, so you should feel happy. Then the important is we should think past year, check if the past year you use properly. That means, you see, if possible, helping other, serving other. If not, at least not harming other. So that's meaningful life. This is too much also the thinking selfish and exploit other people. Then you see your life spent not properly spent.